Hi, uh, this is Christy from Digital Spring Insights, and this is a video for JNM Enterprise Group showing what we do and how you can implement these strategies yourself when you're making a website to get on the first page of Google. Now, why is being on the first page of Google? Well, for example, if someone is searching for kitchen remodeling in Rockville, one of the first places they would go would be Google. And it's important to be on the first page because 92% of all clicks are made on the first page. So if your business website is not on the first page, a lot of potential revenue is going to your competitors. So for example, for kitchen remodeling Rockville, there's 150 searches for this per month. And that's just for one query in the Rockville area. This is something that's called keyword research. So when you're building a website, you need to know the keywords that people are searching for. And we can do this for you, or you can hire someone to do it. The keywords are proprietary from our research, but for example, there's many people searching for home remodeling, kitchen remodeling, bathroom remodeling in the Rockville area. And so the keywords here is the volume for Frederick and Rockville. I can't tell you exactly what the keywords are because, again, that's our proprietary research. But in those two areas, there's about 11 people searching for that per month. So if you have a website on the front page of Google, on average, you're going to be getting about 10% of traffic, which means you're getting 109 clicks per month. And let's say 10% of that is actual actual phone calls. That comes out to be about 11 leads per month. And let's say your closing ratio is 90%, you would get 10 new clients a month. And for jobs on the low end, let's say on average it's $3,000, your website would be making you $30,000 a month. So your annual revenue would be $353,000. Now, you may be wondering, well, how do I get on the first page of Google? Well, for example, if we look at one of your competitors, for example, and we analyze their site, we see that the power of their page is 15, the domain rating, which is where the page is hosted, is 30. These are pretty good metrics, and they have what's called backlinks and referring domains. And backlinks and referring domains are simply links from other websites to your website. And in general, the more powerful, the more high authority those links are, the more powerful and the higher ranking your website will be. And we see that they've done their keyword research, so they're ranking for keywords, and on average they're getting about 100 clicks per month. So in order to get to the first page of Google, this is your competitor, you would need to first beat them out on content. So in general, you want to have at least 1,500 words on the home page, and you want to have more content than they do, and of course write your content around keywords. The second factor is you want to beat them out in the number and the quality of links they have. So for example, a lot of spammy links, Google will actually penalize you for that. So you want high domain rating, you want high quality links, as many as you can get to rank your website. And then the third factor is something called citations. And citations is anytime your business name, address, and phone number is mentioned on the internet in usually a local directory like Yellow Pages. So the three factors you want to beat them out on, again, is content, backlinks, and citations. And usually those are the three factors that is most important when ranking. And so if you concentrate on those three, it's usually enough to get to the first page. So hope all of this is really useful. Let me know if you need any help. And thanks for listening to this. And if you could give me any feedback, I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Have a nice day.